What's up guys, ViperFPV here, and today we have our November 2020 FPVCRATE box. If you already know, FPVCRATE is a subscription box for FPV where they send you parts every month. I think it's like $50 or $60 a month. It comes in really handy when you want some extra spares or you want to have like a stockpile of extra parts laying around. That's what I found it really beneficial for. Some months you have some really bad months where you get kind of junky stuff, some months you get really good stuff. But let's go ahead and unbox this month's box and see exactly what we got. And before we start, just make sure you like, subscribe, and check out the link down below. It is an affiliate link. It does help support the channel, help support me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. I got a thank you card here. I love how FPVCRATE packages your stuff. They package it so professionally with like bubble wrap and everything. Looks like we got a get 10% store off store-wide at FPVCRATE using code SENSEI if you wanted to use that. And then looks like we got some stickers, QAVS stickers, kind of reminiscent of the Sub 250 box, just bigger stickers. Some nice little protective wrap there, and then looks like we got some Ethics P3 peanut and jelly prop. Oh, these are kind of cool colors. I like the purple. It actually looks a little different in the camera. They're actually a little lighter purple, and these ones are a little more like tan, I guess you can call them. But pretty cool. Like I've never seen these props before. All right, it's got 3 sets of those. Looks like we got some loom skids. Let's see if we got the LEDs or are these just skids. Screws, and okay, so they're just like black or smoke black skids to put the LEDs in. I actually did an entire video on how to set these up and what you need to get them all set up on your quad. So I'll leave a link to that as well down below if you want to check that out. Let's put these to the side. Looks like for our big item, we got a QAVS frame. Okay, customized arm skid, 1-screw arm swaps, low profile back deck, split bottom plate, isolated stack design. I'm going to build this thing real quick too, so you guys can see how it looks like when it's all done. And then for our tool we got this month, okay, we got some, it's a soldering, like wire. Not soldering wire, but, you know, the abrasive brush. So then you can clean off your soldering iron. Cool. So let's go ahead and build this frame and take a look at it. So the frame is assembled. It actually was kind of hard to build in the beginning, but once I kind of figured out how it all went together, it kind of went easy. Hardest part was really just kind of just getting these arms sandwiched between these 2 plates with these little spacers. So I put these spacers in last after I got the arms on this other plate, and then making sure that you reverse this plate on top to go to the front. And then you got yourself a nice little quadcopter here. Actually, it's pretty cool. It has some neat little features, like it has dual... like you can take these screws off right here and it'll just take off the spot for your VTX and your stack, and then you leave your camera spot over here in the alone in the front, since it's a dual top plate design. Do like the color. Does seem pretty sturdy. I definitely can see this being a freestyle frame. Uses a micro, or maybe, yeah, it uses a micro camera. I don't think you can fit a mini in there. But it has fittings for 20x20 and for 30x30 stacks. Let's go ahead and give it weight real quick. 116 grams I'm getting. I did it over there because this mat messes up the weight. And then the arms look like they're about 4 or 5 millimeter arms, and has a really thick bottom plate here. I actually really like this frame. I'm not sure who designed it. I don't know if this is just a clone of something or if this is actually just a brand new frame design. I do like it. Looks really neat. I like how it has the dual top plate there for accessibility. All right, guys, so that does it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, and check out my link down below if you want to check out this frame and get more details or even pick one up. I believe they probably will be selling these separately from the FPV subscription boxes. So I'll leave a link to that down below once that does come up and you can buy it. But without further ado, this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.